model, 68-plate Vauxhall Vivaro 2901.6 CDTI, 120, L2H1 needs turbo no VAT. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 116588. MOT, the 30th of October 2025. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6120 PSE6. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing, straightforward turbo replacement job grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 0740